Thank you very much. It's my unique honor to be the president of Romanza Golf and Country Club. And today is a historic day for Romanza Golf and Country Club that we are commencing with the Asian Development Tour. That is the first international tournament Romanza Golf and Country Club. As you know, that Romanza Golf and Country Club is the only 18 holes international standard signature golf course of Pakistan. So within the short span of 3 years, it has achieved many milestones. As you know, that Romanza Golf and Country Club has been declared the best golf course of Pakistan by the World's Golf Award in 2023 and 2024 consecutively. So as per the stature of Romanza Golf Course, which is the international standard, we have been striving hard to bring in to the Romanza some international tournament. And with the grace of God, we are very happy to announce that from tomorrow onward, the first international tournament, that is Asian Development Tour, is starting in Pakistan, and that too in Romanza Golf and Country Club. It is important to mention here that it is after a span of 4 years that some international tournament is coming to Pakistan, and we have the honor to host this tournament at absolute amazing golf course of Romanza Golf and Country Club. And this journey will not stop here. We will continue endeavoring hard to bring as many tournaments as possible to Pakistan as well as to Romanza Golf and Country Club. I am also very thankful to the management of the Asian Development Tour who have trusted us, and they are very happy to be here. They have seen the Romanza Golf Course, and they were amazed to see the standard and maintenance of this golf course. So once again, I would like to extend my thank you to the Asian Development Tour management for coming here all the way from different countries. And I'm very happy that around 19 nationalities of players are here to participate in this tournament. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for your thoughtful about Romanza Golf and Country Club and Asian Development Tour. Now I request Mr. Ken Kodo, General Manager ADT, to say a few words on Asian Development Tour and conduct of ADT Romanza Open Pakistan.
Thank you very much, and good evening, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the Asian Development Tour, the feeder tour to the Asian Tour, I'd firstly like to thank DHA Multan, Romanza Golf and Country Club, and the Pakistan Golf Federation for welcoming us to your beautiful country and entrusting us to co-sanction the Romanza Open Pakistan. It's been 4 or 5 years since the Asian Development Tour was last in Pakistan, and we're extremely pleased and thankful to DHA Multan and Romanza for reigniting the relationship and to create playing opportunities for local professionals and elite aspiring amateurs at an international event. Our goal is to put Pakistan back in the golf map, to inspire future generations and to grow the game of golf as a whole in the region. So I thank you as well to the press and media for your coverage and support, and we look forward to hosting a very exciting event. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ken. Pleasure to be here in Romanza Golf and Country Club. Hamza Amin is with us. Hamza, as the brand ambassador of DHA Multan and Romanza Golf and Country Club, how do you envision the future of Romanza in the coming years?
Well, I think the future is very bright. I'm very proud to be brand ambassador, and being affiliated with a golf course like Romanza is amazing. The facilities here are excellent. The management is very impressive. There's really no difference between Romanza and any other golf course abroad. So it's always a pleasure to play here. It's very nice to see the Asian Development Tour. It's taken a few months of planning and execution to bring it here. I'm very happy to be playing. I think I played the last ADT event in Lahore in 2019. So it's good to see international golf back in Pakistan and at my home golf course. We are planning to open a golf academy here at Romanza. So it is the center of excellence of golf in Pakistan. We look forward to harnessing the talent that we have. And it's a pleasure to see that everybody is always looking forward to come here to Multan and to Romanza. It's impressed everyone, and I'm sure that the ADT event this week is just a stepping stone for more things to come. So very happy to be here and to have the ADT with us, and look forward to playing tomorrow.
Thank you very much, Hamza. The golf course is, of course, in lush condition. Here we have a golf superintendent, Roshan Niazi.
The golf course maintenance is not a single day job. We have been maintaining this golf course, especially for the Asian development tour. Around in October, we have done all the international standards like the agronomics of verticutting, grooming, top dressing, and foliar application of fertilizers. You can see the golf course condition right now is green. Actually, 2 weeks back, we were in the dormant condition. So due to the support of the management and the right decisions and the proactive approach, we are right now in the position that we are honored to host that prestigious international event in Pakistan on this golf course.